Yes, the measure which is most often used when people think about degrees of overweight or obesity is something called body mass index, or as somebody recently termed it, Baloney mass index, which I think is the more accurate explanation. Let me tell you why. Body mass index was originally devised by a Belgian mathematician, polymath actually, called Adolphe Quetelet. He defined this in about 1852. And we're still using exactly the same measure today. Now, you'd think that in the 21st century would have gone beyond that, but no, we're still using it in some places. Let me tell you why it's wrong. There are only two things that you need to know about body fat. How much have you got, and where is it? And body mass index tells you absolutely nothing about either of those two measures. It's like using, as I wrote recently, it's like using a tape measure to measure weight. It's the wrong instrument. So although it's useful in some settings just as a starting point, actually the decision as to whether or not you are eligible for surgery is not made just on body mass index, because it's a flawed measure. It's a discriminatory measure. We take into account a whole range of factors, your history, whether there are any other associated conditions, the medication, all these things have to be taken into account. Which is why we can only determine your suitability for a surgical weight loss procedure if you come to a consultation.